Okay, so starting with slide 8 here on pathogenicity, I would like for you to know what protein A does, what bound and free coagulase does, what the polysaccharide slime layer does, what the hyaluronidase does, the staphylokinase, the lipase, the beta-lactamase. Remember what the cytolytic toxins do, the exfoliative toxins, what the toxic shock syndrome is, enterotoxin, all of those. Let's see. Okay, I also would like for you to know the systemic diseases, what bacteremia is, endocarditis, pneumonia, osteomyelitis.
We don't have to know about MRSA or MRSA. Okay.
I would like for you to know that Group A Streptococcus is S. pyogenes. I would like for you to know what M protein does, what the hyaluronic acid capsule does, what the streptokinases does, what the deoxyribonucleases do. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 items. What C5a peptidase does. This one is redundant. We've already talked about hyaluronidase. The pyrogenic toxins, the streptolysins. Be careful with the streptolysins because on the slide, for some reason, it only says red blood cells, but it does all of them. With the streptolysins, it does red, white, and platelets. Thank you. I would like for you to know what pharyngitis is, what scarlet fever is, what pyoderma is. I'm not stuck on erysipelas. I don't know why, but it doesn't seem to be on my top 10 here. Let's do necrotizing fasciitis, rheumatoid fever, glomerulonephritis, okay. Are we doing all right so far?
So far.
Okay, I would like for you to know that Group B Streptococcus is S. agalactiae. I'd like for you to know why the Bradian groups are called the Bradian groups, which is what?
Green.
They're alpha hemolytic and give a green chain on blood agar. Okay, unfortunately, I would like for you to know the pathogenic mechanisms of S. pneumoniae. So, polysaccharide capsule, phosphorylcholine, protein adhesin, IgA protease, pneumolysin. So, if you can give a brief description about any or all of those. I know I'm feeling your plate kind of big here, kind of high here. Pneumococcal pneumonia, sinusitis and otitis media, bacterial endocarditis, and pneumococcal meningitis. I think I would like for you guys to know those from S. pneumoniae. Are we doing okay with that? I know it's quite a bit. I'm sorry. Some chapters don't have a lot on. This one does.
And like with things like that, would you like us to know that the treatment would be something like penicillin, or do you just
No.
want us to know
No.
the secondary line of it?
I would, is it clinically relevant? Yes. Is it important? Yes. Do I want to melt your brains?
Right.
No.
Yes.
So
You're getting it anyway.
I'm kind of. I figured, yeah, if you're going to be taking a class on well, not necessarily epidemiology, but
Just pharmacology.
pharmacology. Pharmacology is going to have you go through every one of those titration of medication and counteractions and cytochrome interactions. Oh, that's so much fun. Let's see. So I'll leave that to your pharmacology class. How about that? Right now, I want to build up your clinical vocabulary so that when somebody talks about this, you have an understanding of a good understanding of the conversation. I would like for you to know the main Clostridial species. So C. perfringens, C. difficile, C. botulinum, and C. tetani. Okay. I would like for you to know at least the C. perfringens is gangrene, the C. difficile is predominantly an intestinal infection. With botulinum and tetani, I would like for you to know this little picture here, the mechanism, 1, 2. And for tetani, I would like for you to know this mechanism right here, 1, 2. Okay. Almost done. Listeria is very cool, but I'm going to move to M. tuberculae. So this little guy right here. Steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it.
Would you
That's
like
right.
us to know that tuberculosis slide or no?
I beg your pardon?
Would you like us to know the tuberculosis side?
This one right here, yes.
I mean, and the mycobacterium. Anything on that?
The waxy layer, etc.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's acid fast resistant for anything like that. one up. You can just say no. That's fine too.
I'm going to say no. Because you need to know that in order to be able to describe what's going on in here anyways. So I'm going to say no to that. Yeah. You have to understand that protein M is inhibiting phagocytosis, or not phagocytosis, but joining the phagosome with the lysosome here. So I'm not really being nice. You need to know it anyways in order to be descriptive here. Okay? I think that's it.
Okay.
What do you guys think? Is this doable?
Yes.
Doable-ish?
This test is the following Wednesday,
Yes.
and then
Yes. Yes. So no class this Wednesday. No class this Wednesday. Have a happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I hope.
We don't have to know about the development act.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm throwing away these slides because they're not going to just, oh, you remembered.
Yeah.
I didn't remember.